Welcome to the Phone Transformer. In today's video, we'll show you how to switch off phone with timer. Let's get started. Step 1. First, take your Android phone and open the Settings app. You can usually find it right on your home screen or in the Apps drawer. Step 2. Once you're inside the Settings app, look for the search bar at the very top of the screen. Tap on it to open the search menu. This will help you quickly find the option we need without scrolling through endless menus. Step 3. In the search bar, type Schedule Power On and Off. As you type, you'll see search results popping up. Look for the option that matches exactly or closely. It might vary slightly depending on your phone model. Tap on it to open the settings. Step 4. Now you'll see an option called Power Off. By default, this is usually turned off. To enable it, simply tap the toggle switch next to it. This tells your phone that you want to schedule an automatic shutdown. Step 5. After turning on the feature, you'll need to set the exact time you want your phone to switch off. Tap on the time field, then adjust the hours and minutes using the on-screen picker. Next, choose how often you want this to repeat: daily, weekdays, or just once. Step 6. Finally, to save your settings, look for the checkmark icon at the top right corner of the screen and tap it. That's it. Your phone will now automatically switch off at the scheduled time. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.